Hi, Wade. What are we doing today? Building your computer? Let's see. So, what'd you do to get this computer? What'd you have to do? Okay, so you got an advance on your allowance, huh? Is it going to be worth it? Alright.
Maybe worth it.
Have you ever built a computer before?
No.
No? So this is your first time? We're going to help you with that.
Yay.
Alright, buddy. So, out of all these parts on the table, which one do you think we should grab first? Motherboard, power supply, here's your hard drive, underneath that's your graphics card, and you got your CPU over there. Which one should we grab first? The hard drive? Yeah. Let's start with this. Remember, mother. You love your mother, right?
Mm-hmm.
You love your motherboard. Okay. So we'll grab this one first. Okay. And inside here is your motherboard. What this is? It's your back plate. Because on on the back of your computer, this is where you plug all your mouse and your keyboard and everything in. So we're gonna need that. Go ahead and take these cables. See these cables in there? Go ahead and pull them cables out of there. Those are called SATA cables. SATA, SATA. That's what's going to hook up to your hard drive and stuff. Okay. Put this back. Okay. smell?
Not that much.
Really? Crazy. What am I even doing? Are you sure you're my kid? I don't think you're my kid. Okay.
Smells like
Now you get the fun part of cable management.
yay! We're gonna hang out Wayde's cable guys.
So all these cables have to be hooked up. Do you know where they go? You know where they go?
No.
We're just gonna plug them in and see which one does what.
We could just look at the patterns and then look for the same patterns on there. The lazy way. That's what I usually do.
Or you can look at the, like, what's that say? Reset switch.
So will that be near that?
And then here's your power LED positive and then power LED negative, which is turn the power button on. Then you got your, each one's got a little plug for it. Wayde. We'll have to plug them in. I know where they go, but yeah. So let's get routing these wires, and we'll be back after we get these wires all routed up.
Yay!
Okay. Are you ready for the power test?
Yes.
Let's see. Think you're on. Go ahead and press the power button, buddy. Nothing.
Oh, there it goes.
Got power there.
I like the blue lights.
See if the BIOS pops up.
Can't open this. Oh wow.
Oh, there's the BIOS.
Oh my Jesus.
You're good. We're good. That's a good sign right there.
Yep.
The BIOS popped up.
Report and select proper boot device or insert boot media.
So let's go ahead and, yeah, get you powered down. So here we are.
Hi.
Got her running. Sapphire's running. We're resetting the PC right now. Because of course the Windows install. Through the back. See if you can see it. Yeah.
Bye.